Hi everyone, I want to show you this two-piece paring knife set, and honestly this is one of those small kitchen upgrades that makes a big difference. And it also comes in a nice box, so it actually makes a really good gift too. You get a 3.5-inch fruit knife and 5-inch utility knife, and both are made from high carbon stainless steel, so they are very sharp and stay sharp longer. What I really like is the handle. It has this wood design. It feels very comfortable in the hand, no slippery, and gives you really good control when you are cutting. The size is also perfect, small enough for precise work like peeling and trimming, but still strong enough for everyday kitchen use. The knives are dishwasher safe, but I recommend hand washing to keep them sharp longer. These are great for quick meal prep, snacks, or even detail cutting when you want clean, smooth slices. If you want sharp, easy to use knives for daily cooking, this is a really solid set to have it in your kitchen.